Well, Texas has seen a steady rise in COVID cases since reopening just over 2 weeks ago, leading some Texans to believe this is happening too soon. And now phase 2 of that state's reopening has already begun. Joining us now with his take on the new rules is the mayor of Dallas, Erick Johnson. Mayor Johnson, thank you for joining us again today. We know your governor, Greg Abbott, eased those lockdown restrictions, allowing hair and nail salons to open a week ago, and gyms and manufacturing plants reopened yesterday. How do you feel Dallas is positioned for these new phases right now? Are you concerned it's too soon?
Well, I think Dallas is in a situation right now where our cases are starting to plateau. It appears our cases were going up for the past couple of weeks, and now they seem to be in the 200 a day case number range and appear to be holding steady at that level. So we're hoping that they're plateauing, which means they'll be going down soon. We also are keeping our eye on hospital capacity, and that appears to be holding steady in a good place. We haven't exceeded 70% capacity in any of our hospitals in the city of Dallas in terms of hospital beds, or 40% capacity for our ventilators. So that's all good news. But what we are concerned about, and what I'm trying to make sure we stay ahead of, is contact tracing and testing is critical to do this next phase. And we are not where we want to be there. I don't think any city in the United States is where they want to be. So we are going to work with our federal partners, our state partners, to try to get a major jump up in the number of folks we're able to test and the amount of people we have doing contact tracing here, so that we can open up our economy safely.
Yeah, we've got the specific numbers, actually. The health officials there reported 205 new COVID cases in Dallas, 6 deaths over the weekend. That is, as you mentioned, less than it was before. How does that affect how Dallas plans to move forward?
My job as the mayor of Dallas is here locally is to make sure that that opening is done in a safe way. So my focus is on making sure that my residents in this city know that we are not out of the woods yet. We have to continue to wear masks in public. We have to continue to practice social distancing when we're out in public. And probably most importantly, we want our vulnerable populations and anyone who's experiencing any symptoms to know that just because the economy is being reopened, so to speak, does not mean you have to rush back into going back to restaurants and things. If you don't have to go out, and you are a vulnerable population, you shouldn't. And if you are symptomatic, you absolutely shouldn't. And then the rest of us should just use good judgment when we go out in public and make sure that we're doing all the same things that have helped us flatten our curve here in Dallas. So we need to continue to do those things.
No, such important words for everyone to remember and to hear. We certainly appreciate your time. Dallas Mayor Erick Johnson, thank you for joining us today.
Thank you, Amy.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.